We source globally to ensure variety. This silky bundle is from Southeast Asia, while this highly textured sample comes from Brazil.
Watch your step with this one. Origin, Brazil, 50 kilos, verified.
Lens. We immediately reject batches like this one due to the excessive frizz and inconsistent color. This is the quality standard.
This batch is excellent quality, very smooth.
Yes, grade A easily. Make sure the lengths are exact.
As you can see, this first grade is perfectly straight and dark. But when we look at the second sample, the texture
We held the pre-wash sample next to the post-wash result. The dramatic cleaning effect achieved in this vessel is clear.
By carefully monitoring these temperature and humidity displays, we ensure precise drying parameters are met. This
This golden liquid is the raw keratin extraction. We've developed a sustainable process to isolate the protein while maintaining its structural integrity.
Temperature is rising past the threshold on vessel 3.
Confirmed. pH levels are stable at 4.2. Adjusting coolant flow now.
Primary filtration stage. The raw keratin extraction solution is pumped through a series of industrial filtration units, removing
membrane filtration system. The pre-filtered keratin solution enters an advanced membrane filtration unit, ultrafiltration membrane.
As you can see, the pre-filtration sample on the left is quite cloudy, but after running it through, we achieved the system.
The membrane-filtered keratin solution passes through ion exchange columns, removing ionic impurities and residual chemical traces.
The concentration progress display shows the keratin protein increasing. We determine the endpoint by combining this data with a visual assessment through the side glass.
What if we try combining the variants at this stage?
The data suggests a positive interaction. Let's proceed carefully.
Viscosity is within range.
Good. The protein content came back high on this batch.
The advanced keratin formulation is pumped into these industrial fiber spinning machines, forcing the liquid through precisely engineered spinnerets.
As you can see, this keratin fiber is incredibly fine, but it stretches significantly without breaking.
A separate line forms the keratin formulation into flat film and sheet materials, using precision casting and
Spun keratin fibers and formed sheets pass through specialized cross-link treatment chambers, where controlled chemical...
As you can see, the pre-cross-link material stretches easily, but after the process, the material is significantly tougher and these fiber bundles are ideal for aerospace, the cut sheets we see being used in automotive, and this molded keratin part.
Confirming the atmospheric levels are stable.
Particle count remains within acceptable parameters.
These sealing units are the heart of our contamination control. They maintain the precise environmental standards necessary for producing specification-grade materials.
We start with the core regulatory symbols here, then move to the destination requirements for global markets, ensuring every detail meets local compliance standards.
The keratin uptake is significantly improved at the nanoscale.
Yes, the structural integrity of the fibers is holding up better tthan expected.
This next generation keratin allows us to achieve unprecedented flexibility and strength. When we hold it to the light, this chart clearly shows the improved efficiency.
Yes, and the physical sample feels much lighter. We should test the tensile strength next.
Agreed. Let's schedule the analysis for tomorrow.
This composite panel uses keratin-based fibers, making it incredibly resilient.
Unlike the petroleum version, it won't crack under pressure.
Welcome to our byproduct recovery area. Here, we've implemented a circular processing approach that converts every single...
Air quality is stable.
And water discharge is well within limits. Looks good across the board.
Pallet 7B confirmed against the manifest.
Scan complete. All green for climate control.
All right, seal it up. Temperature lock engaged.
Temperature, chemical concentration, and exposure time are all precisely controlled by automated systems.
The cross-linking was successful. Look at the enhancement data.
Excellent. It meets the specification requirements.
As you can see, by slightly varying the formulation parameters, we achieve vastly different property profiles. This matte sample is...
If you look closely at these tensile strength values and the elongation here, you'll clearly confirm the advanced...
And sevens, These bio-derived fibers offer incredible tensile strength, revolutionizing the textile industry. And this molded component